Hey, where do we go now?
We're going to Uncle Tetsu.
Yeah?
Uncle Tetsu.
What is that?
We're gonna buy the Japanese cheesecake.
The Japanese cheesecake. Okay, okay. Raj, where are we going?
Going to restaurant again.
No, we're not going there. We're going to eat what meat? What is it?
Japanese cheesecake.
Just okay. So, oh my God! You don't have power. No power. Your power is gone. Oh my God, your power is gone. Okay, so we're going to see
Where?
Uncle Tetsu.
Tetsu.
Uncle Tetsu. Mushari. This is the Pineapple Building
Burger.
or Burger Building.
Burger.
This huge building, this was my office before. They demolished and they made a big building here. 2 buildings. It was my office before. Or my office. What are you doing?
My glasses.
What happened to your glasses?
They're not in. It's not straight.
Where is Mr. Raj? What are you doing there? I can't see you. You're hiding? When did we come to Qatar? 2000. I came 2010, no?
10 or 11?
10, I think. When I came here, I didn't have a license. I only had a license from Oman. Then I paid like 120 riyals here, and they changed to the Qatar license. But now, if you want to take a license here, even if you have an Oman or UAE license,
You have to take lessons.
you have to take lessons again.
Who said?
Yeah, it's like that. I still remember that. I don't know how to drive in the Middle East. I just took the license, but I didn't drive.
Oh yeah, you didn't drive when you were in Oman, no?
Yeah. I went to a rent-a-car company. I took the car straight away to the road. Yeah,
I can't do that.
it was so dangerous. I was so scared also. That's the time. Normally when you drive from here, this road, there is a Sheikh house here. You can see a Rolls Royce always there. I don't know if it is still there. Let's see. I don't know if it's still there. See here always. Rolls Royce all the time. This is one of
From
the.
this house?
Yeah,
Is it house?
it's a house. Is there? No. There, see?
The last one.
The last. So you go to your mosque.
Yeah, I got it.
Careful.
Yeah.
Uncle, what is it?
Uncle
Uncle.
O.T.
This is Merkab Mall. Raj, what song are you going to sing?
I don't know what any songs are there.
What?
Any songs are there.
You don't know songs? Don't know any songs?
Maybe it's just like.
Hey, dance monkey.
That's never seen can do it wrong. Move on. I like you do the world good. I just want to just
Hey, what you got?
Uncle Tetsu's original tart.
Show me.
It's freshly baked.
Wow, that's nice.
It smells so
Are
good.
you gonna eat all?
If you don't mind.
Uh-huh.
Excuse me.
So
Sanitizer,
we
please.
are in the Cornish.
What do we have?
Normally we buy food and come here and eat.
What is this?
This is bread, I
Is
guess.
this kubus
Not kubus.
or parota?
No, I think
It's chapati.
good. Yeah, cool.
Bev, there's chapati.
How many chapatis? This is for like 4 fish. What else we got?
Spoons. What is this?
We need a big table.
Yeah, we should buy that.
We have our table. We can put it.
Where is it? It's still there?
We can put it. Oh no, I put it back in my office. Normally we buy food and then we come and sit here with the beautiful view of West Bay.
Not always here.
Not
Sometimes
always here, yeah.
In some car parks somewhere.
Yeah.
We got hummus.
Hummus.
The salad.
Okay.
What is this? Is it mutabo?
Yeah, mattabul.
It's mutabo.
Muttabul.
Oops.
Yeah.
And what are these?
Sauce, garlic sauce and chili sauce.
Which one is chili sauce?
Not chili, the mint sauce, I think. Look at this new street lights, like palm leaves. Doing all this stuff for FIFA.
I will just eat the
This is the highlights.
chapati.
This is the chicken.
Chapati.
We don't have a plate.
Chapati. Chapati.
Don't have
Chapati.
plates.
Chapati.
Put some sanitizer.
I cannot reach. Why is the chicken
Move
there?
here a little bit.
This is a spicy chicken. Okay, let's eat.
How?
It's here, boss.
Where? Where?
Chapati is here. No chapati?
Careful.
Yeah.
Be careful.
Wait.
What is this?
Chapati.
That's sauce.
What kind of sauce is it? Garlic?
Garlic. Yes.
Roll it. Roll that so you
You want
can eat.
garlic sauce?
Okay, well, take it from me.
Voila, you're always
Yeah.
making
Take
things.
it from me.
Yeah. Later.
D. Okay. How's it? Spicy. Good. Let me have a piece. We have a piece.
Yeah. I'm sure you will eat it.
It's nice. So we are done eating and now we are going home, right?
Right.
It was a good meal.
It was.
Oh my god, I'm so full. I cannot drive.
I'm double full.
Can you drive?
You mean?
Okay. Cornish is ready for
For what?
welcoming FIFA. This is one of the iconic building in Qatar. It's called Fanar. And this is Suq Waqif signal. And that's your office, right? It's your office, no? Okay, so mommy's parking.
Mommy is driving.
Park. Okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. All right, so we are home. Let's go home. Raj, let's go home.